Hello guys, welcome back again to Jenny's World. Guess what guys, in today's video we are bringing you another banger. So guys, my husband knows that today we are doing mukbang, and this mukbang will be eating alone. He's at work right now, he will be coming very soon. So today I decided to use this mukbang way to prank him. Guess what I'm doing for him? I'm doing to him today. So today, instead of us eating together, I'll make sure I divide the food into two portions. One is big and the other is smaller. So what I will do is, when we are eating, I'll give him the smaller portion and I will take the bigger portion and I'll start eating to see how he's going to react. Like, the food is so small and I know he would definitely react, because how can you serve your husband whilst he's back from work, he's hungry? How can you serve him with a smaller portion of the food, and you, the woman staying at home eating all the time, you are taking the biggest one? So I know my husband will surely react to this prank. It's a must watch, so make sure to watch full video to understand. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for banger upon banger. Asthma, mukbang, chit chat, discussion, everything is here on this channel. So see you when hobby comes. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, guess what? Today we are eating BANKU with okra soup. So if you are new here, you are welcome. So this is how my BANKU looks like, and we're gonna be eating this BANKU with this delicious soup. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. So before we start to eat this delicious food, let us pray. Thank you, Lord, for this delicious food. Bless anyone watching us. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. So guys, I have two bowls here. We are not going to, everyone is going to take a BANKU. So I'm gonna take mine and Papa will take his. So before we eat, we're gonna wash your hands.
Who will take this?
Yes, that's your food.
It's not for you, I'm giving to me.
That's your food. Why?
What is this?
It's BANKU.
After I come from work, you give me this for small food.
Let me take it for you. It's big. It's big enough for you to be okay. Eat.
What are you telling me?
What am I telling you? Like what? What have I done?
It's for who this food?
This is for you.
For me?
Yes. So
if you see me, I deserve this food.
Ah, baby, I've served you.
What is this? Small food like this? Come on.
You eat. When it doesn't, when you're not okay, I'll give you mine. I'll give you some.
Who eat?
Just eat yours. When you are.
I should eat what?
Eat, and after.
This small food I should eat. I go stand on my foot 8 hours, and I came where you give me small food. And
it's not that small, so eat.
I will eat.
Just stop complaining, baby.
Eat your food. No, not.
Baby, you are recording. No,
so?
I've pressed the play.
I'm not eat. Eat your food.
Okay. Let me change it.
Eat your food. Eat.
Let me change it. Let me eat this. Eat for me. So are you happy now?
Why you give me small food like this?
Now you have the big one, so eat. Eat. I've given you the big food, so smile. Okay, smile. Stop forming your face.
Give him a small food finish. So, smile.
But I've changed it. I'm giving you the big one. Haven't I given you mine? You are becoming fat. That is why I reduce your food.
Fat?
You are becoming fat. That is why I reduce your food for you so that you become slim.
And you?
Me, I'm not fat.
Guys, you were invited. Sorry, you forgot. You were invited. Because of you.
Because of food. Now you have big food, so you are inviting them, right? Oh, man, a husband should sacrifice his stomach for the wife. You should sacrifice your stomach for your wife.
So I should feel angry with that, right?
I'm not saying feel angry. I gave you food.
Why is I should sacrifice my...
Didn't I give you food? Didn't I give you food? I gave you food. I gave you a smaller portion because I want you to reduce for me. Eh? That is why
you said I should sacrifice my stomach.
Yes, you have to sacrifice your food. You're eating
see your body.
What have my body done? What have my body? This is my natural body now. I'm not fat. I'm normal. A man shouldn't be fat. If you're a man and you become fat, it's something else.
What about a woman?
It's normal. Take it out from the soup.
Where you coming on it? Everything.
You're asking me. Okay. Don't give me some. I won't eat. It's your food. No.
I do my best.
You've done your best. I am giving you the smaller portion so that you can reduce weight. You were fighting, you were shouting, I just went to stand on my leg 8 hours and now I'm coming home and now you give me this small food. You don't even consider that we are recording. Then you are giving me this small food. Everyone should know that I'm giving you small food, right? Everyone should know that I'm giving you, I don't give you food, right? I won't eat. I will eat. Eat your food. Eat all, and chew all the meat. I will stay here and I'll watch you. I'll drink the soup like that.
You're chewing your finger.
I'm chewing my hands, not my finger. I'm chewing my hands.
Are you done?
You are asking me, eat your food. Eat. You are fighting over the food with me. So I don't want to eat. I won't eat again. Eat your food.
Eat soon.
I won't eat. Eat your food.
What happened?
I won't eat. Me. I won't eat you. Eat. If you are done, tell me.
I'm done.
Do you know that I was testing you?
You are testing me.
I was testing you. I was just, giving you the smaller portion to see how you're gonna react. At least you should have calmed down, eat it, and after, when you're on the floor, you should have returned here.
The small one.
Yes,
Why?
and when you're done, you come back and eat it. I was just pranking you to see how you're gonna react when I give you smaller food and I have the biggest food. But you were saying, oh, okay, sorry. You were saying, oh, I go to work 8 hours.
And why you didn't take the smaller one?
I said I was just pranking you. I was
here.
just pranking you to see how you're gonna react when I give you smaller portion of the food. It's not that I'm going to give it to you for you to eat. But you reacted so sad and you reacted like you should have even at least eat it and finish and say, maybe I need more. Then I will see how you're gonna do. You're gonna do about that. But you were angry. You was angry. It's okay.
You were pranking me.
I said I was pranking you. This is not even as a prank. It's like to see how you're gonna react. That's it.
I have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say. You've done your worst. So what do you have to say? You've done what you want to done. So what do you have to say? You have nothing to say. Tomorrow again. You see, upon all the shouting, he couldn't even eat all. Upon all the shouting, he should even tell me, oh, add your small of yours to mine. In gentle manner, he was like, yeah, blah 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 blah. It's nice, nothing.
Eat.
I should eat what? Eat all. You are not leaving the food there.
I can't.
You will eat. You will eat, okay?
I need my force.
It's by force. It's by force.
Drink more.
Put my water down. Put it down. Why? Are you the person who will tell me to drink water? If you want water, yours is there. Drink yours, so leave me alone. I'm not saying I'm gonna drink yours.
The meat are finished.
When you were chewing, did you?
This is a chewing.
Today I didn't even chew enough meat, guys. Don't tell me I didn't give him meat. I didn't even chew enough meat. I chewed like 2 or 3 meat. He chewed the biggest meat in the pot, and he's asking me has the meat are finished. Only 2. There are a lot of soup here, okay? There are a lot of okra here. So if you would drink.
There's no meat, how can I drink? I can't eat without fish or meat.
You told me you are done. Don't come and give an explanation here. Don't come and give it. Wash your hands there.
End the video.
I don't know. He normally gets angry when he does something wrong. Why?
You can't me finish. End your video. Let me go.
And you reacted badly. You to end your video.
Cool.
Me, I should end your video.
End your video.
So guys, that is how he reacted though. He ruined it. And he didn't even eat full. And he's complaining that guys, I forgive him though. I forgive you.
Forgive who?
I forgive you for what you did.
What am I done?
What have you done? Didn't you know what you done?
You
were shouting at me. No, you were shouting at me at the beginning. You were shouting at me. You should have done that. Okay. So you have to ask for forgiveness. Okay. Ask for forgiveness. You say okay.
Who?
You.
You say you have forgiven me, then I should ask forgiveness.
You have to beg your wife before I forgive you. Not that I forgive you.
End your video.
I'm not ending it. You have to.
I beg you.
Is this how we have for forgiveness?
I beg you.
Is it how we I beg you and I beg you? It's not encouraging.
I beg you.
Guys, so this is how he reacted. I told you guys that this man would talk because I know he loves food, and when he comes to work, when he comes back from work, he has to eat, and you giving him the smallest food. I know this is how everyone is going to react. So what do you think? Drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to what?
Subscribe, like and share.
Like and share to be part of this family for more. See you on our next upload. Bye.